They have fixed the base of where the tank is going. But 50 points for anyone who can guess what tracks they are. Any idea?
This is a very rare, very dangerous animal. These are the markings of a bunyip. We don't see bunyips around here very often, but they're lethally dangerous. So I'm glad we actually weren't here when it was here. You can see they actually got 3 big claws. This is our Plymouth Rock rooster, Rocky, and he's got a little problem at the moment. We've let his talons grow, or let his claw on the inside spur grow too big. So it's time to give it a little bit of a trim. He's got a little bit of a funny walk, so we think taking these off will make it a little bit better. He's not walking too straight, so we've just got to check to make sure his feet are okay. But, this is the guy that normally gives me a bit of a hard time every time I come in here, but I've been able to get him pretty quickly. So unfortunately, Rock, nothing for it but a bit of a toenail trim, buddy. We're new to this as well. We've never had to do this before with a rooster, so we've gone to Dr. Google and got a bit of information, and now it's going to be time. And this is our toenail trimmer, which everyone that we seem to have done the research on uses pretty effectively. So nothing for it but to give it a go. Probably going just up where it changes colour there.
I can't hold his foot at the same time. I wonder if I can. Nearly got my hand. I don't know how to do this.
Job.
You want to show? They're not too short, but
okay. Little use of the old power saw. A little bit of blood there, but that'll just stop.
they're not short enough. But
There, we'll just keep an eye on it now, and we'll shorten them up as we need be. Hey, you did a pretty good job there, buddy. I'm gonna let you go now.
oh. You're not happy?
So what we've got here is we incubated some chickens, and we set this run up inside the run so that they could live out here for a little while and let the rest of the chickens get acclimatised to them. So they've been in there for about 3 weeks now, and the other chickens have been hanging around them. We also wanted to give them a bit of time just to get a little bit bigger, give them a chance to survive the oncoming sorting out of the pecking order. So we're going to let them out of the cage now and see how they go with the other chickens. So hopefully they're okay.
And if you believe that, you'll believe anything. These are actually kangaroo tracks. And Stephen will point out the bits.
Right, left leg, and then their tail as they come through. They often use their tail as a balance point, like a third leg.
And then I went up there and off. And over here, here's a little one.